Hey there YouTube, what's up? Today I got an unboxing video for you. A couple weeks ago I gave you guys a Tiffany Company unboxing video for this 1837 Maker's chain, and also showed you the 1837 Tiffany Maker's bracelet. So I'm really liking this line, guys, and I got one more piece that I ordered that just came in today. We're going to do a little unboxing. I got the mail sitting right here, Tiffany Co. So I already cut the tape open, so we're just going to go ahead and get into this. Got the Tiffany box here with the Tiffany paper. We're going to pull that out and toss that to the side because we don't need it. And inside we do have a blue Tiffany bag, but I'm not going to take that out right now because we don't need that either. And here it is, guys, the blue box, Tiffany Co. Gotta love it when you get those nice blue boxes in the mail. So we're gonna pull the ribbon, get rid of that, and inside we've got a card of authenticity from Tiffany's. And it gives you some sterling silver care tips. And got this nice blue bag here. Tiffany Co. They make some really nice products, guys. I mean, this is why they're the best. This is why they're the most expensive, because not only are they quality, but their service is great. I've ordered through them several times. The shipping is fast. Never had a problem. The only problem I have ever had is with sizing. And I've actually, this bracelet, I returned 3 times. First time was too small, second time was too big, and the third time I just went with the biggest size and ended up having to have a link removed in order to get it to fit. You know, I wanted that kind of dangle a little bit, but I didn't want it to be too tight, don't want it to be too loose. But anyway, guys, so let's get this ring out. So here is the Tiffany Maker's 1837 square signet ring. Go ahead and give you a little close-up look at that. $9.25 sterling silver. And this ring, guys, was meant to go on my pinky. That's right, I got a badass pinky ring. So we're gonna put this on here, show you what it looks like. Yeah, it is a badass pinky ring. So, hope you guys like this video. Check my channel for other unboxings and other Tiffany jewelry. I'm going to go ahead and cut to some nice close-ups of the ring so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. And I did want to let you know there is a Tiffany hallmark on the inside. This is engravable, but I did not get it engraved because I just like the look of it plain. But if you want to, go ahead and get yours engraved. So, cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Check out the couple pictures I'm going to include, and stay tuned for some more unboxing videos.